Hola and good morning. Today is the start of something different. And for those of you who are wondering where my Jeep's at, because I've done nothing with my Jeep for the last like half a year, I still have it. It's been sitting there for like 4 months. I'll get to that in a second. Or maybe next video. I don't know. I'm kind of tired of doing Jeep stuff. I want to do something different. I want to get back to my roots of what got me into vehicles is trucks. I love trucks. I love old school trucks. I love them all. But, so I have a new project. It's at Zach's house. He's about 45 minutes away. I'm not going to do some stupid driving montage. I'm just going to be at Zach's. Alright. And now I'm at Zach's house. Let's see how long it took. I timed it. 43 minutes. And I ran into an interesting situation. Well, this is interesting. Nope, you're gonna have to move because I gotta go. Let's just drive around. Let's go up on the sidewalk. Go back down. Oh, don't be like, oh my god, Gerby, you're such a piece of crap because you didn't stop to see if they were okay. Look, I sat there for like 20 freaking minutes while people were crowding the cars, making sure everyone was okay. They were fine. I'm not a hero, I'm sorry. See if it fits you. I know you've been on a diet.
You bitch! You don't film these things, okay? I'm self-conscious about my boobies.
Put it on.
Okay, fine. I fit in my race suit now, though. Without two other people trying to help me put it on. My gut.
Nice.
And then, surprisingly
I
enough,
still have that picture of you sitting with your gut hanging out of your... somewhere.
it's a very normal picture.
Yeah.
Why am I
It's all over the interwebs.
I can do a little striptease for you.
Put the fucking coat on.
Fine. Is it early Christmas?
No, your birthday's in like 4 days.
Oh, fuck yeah, that's right. I never knew those things when I was a kid because I always got ripped off. You know? Oh, this is your Christmas and birthday present. Oh, they're fucking buttons. Oh, this is going to be so good in the bedroom.
I hope it fits you.
Wait, what? It'll fit me. I'm on a freaking diet and skinny as shit, damn.
Well, you like it?
I like it.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Get that corn out of my face.
Oh, God. All right, Zach, you want to open up the Christmas present?
Yeah. On my back.
Oh, that thing's still in here?
Yeah.
I know you can't tell, but there's a square body underneath. It's just everyone's storage unit.
Well, yeah. Yikes. It's okay. It's out of the rain.
That is true. It's out of the rain.
That is a definite storage unit.
Oh God, I know.
This is where my stuff is.
It's fine.
Just random ass shit. Actually, I think the only thing in here that's mine is this hood.
Well, that doesn't matter. So I'm gonna get this all cleaned off, and then I'll show you what we're working with here. So here's the deal. The front of the frame is cracked. Right there. This side is completely bent out and up. And for a long time, I've tried fixing it. I'm also putting in a steering rack. I tried fixing it. Couldn't friggin' figure it out. So, I'm chopping off the front end of this. And I'm square tubing it. I'm making a whole new front end for it. Oh, by the way, this is an 86 GMC square body. I've had this truck for about 14 years. I don't know how to make videos. I'm gonna freaking chop this off and do whatever the hell I want. So the plan is to shove this 5.3 with that disgusting 4L60 that's gonna blow up into here. But before I do that, I gotta fix the frame and do a bazillion other things that I don't know how to do. But I'm gonna figure it out. Well, this just got interesting because it just started snowing. Shit. Cover this motor up a little bit. Where did he go? Zach, where did you go? Alright, well, while I'm waiting for Zach, I'll show you some cool stuff. This is our buddy Nick's Toyota pickup with FJ grill. 22RE, I think. So our buddy Daniel's Evo that he just put the engine in. And I think he blew up the pressure plate in it already. And this is Daniel's right-hand drive S14. Has a 2J in it. Dan's Beamer. Javon's IS. Javon's other IS. Zach's big toter home for when he's traveling for FD. Is he coming? Bro.
What the fuck is this?
It's snowing.
You're jizzing everywhere, bro. Stop it. I was just in there talking with my mom. I was like, yeah, it ain't snowing yet.
Dude, it
She's
was
like, oh, it's
it was
snowing,
literally
like
just blue skies.
Dude,
Like
I know, it was sunny. I was like, damn, I don't even have to like cover his motor.
it was just blue skies, like
God damn it.
I don't know, a couple of seconds
It's honestly
ago.
not even that cold.
It's not that bad. Except I put my jacket on because I was cold.
The sweet matching jacket that I need to put mine on too. So
Yeah.
we match.
Yeah.
Cool.
Alright, let's cut this front end off.
No, dude, let's stop. It's snowing.
Oh, okay.
We don't work in the snow.
Okay. So I know this video is really choppy, and it's just because I kind of jumped right into it, but I will explain a little bit more later. So quick thing on this truck while Zach is going to try to find something. I bought this truck like 14 years ago for $500. Shoved a small block in it. Daily drove it for like 6 years. One day I wanted to throw a big block in it. I acquired a big block. I went to pull the big block out, and then the house I was living at got foreclosed on. Had to move the truck to a buddy's house. It sat at his house for like 2 or 3 years. And then when we went to move it, we bent the frame because the person who was moving it wrapped a chain around one side instead of doing a bridle, yanked up on the bucket, and it completely broke the frame, twisted it up, because this truck was previously wrecked before I owned it. And I actually never knew that until I tore the whole front clip off of it. And all of this stuff, this big angle iron, went all the way across here, and the actual subframe, or the cross member that was in the front right here originally, wasn't even connected on one side. And completely cracked the frame. They tried booger welding this whole thing back together. When the motor mount plates are over it, you can't see the crack. And you couldn't see this because the radiator and everything is right there. So I never knew that damage was underneath it until I went to tow it and yanked up on the bucket. Not me, someone else. And it completely broke and cracked the frame. And then it's been sitting for like 6 years. Or 7. I haven't driven this truck in almost 7 years. And it breaks my freaking heart. So after years of just neglecting it, shoving it in a corner, I decided it's time to get this thing back on the road and fix it. And I'm trying to get it done by my birthday. And that's 5 months from now, and I don't know if that's going to happen. But, because I only get 1 day a week to work on it. But, I'm at Zach's house. If you're not familiar with who Zach is my brother and my best friend. And he is helping me get my truck back on the road because I try to help him a lot with his career that he has going on. And so that's what brothers do. We help each other. You know, I was just talking about how big of a piece of crap you are.
What do I do this time?
Can't find my battery.
No, I found your
For
battery.
my ankle. Oh, this is
But your shit's dead. Your shit sucks.
Alright, well, whatever. Let's cut this thing off. I don't give a shit.
Yeah.
Little update. It's still snowing. Oh, it's actually sticking. I didn't realize it's sticking. And we cut the front end off. No more bent ass frame. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of the 2x2. We're gonna set it in the inside of the frame here, box it in, and then use the 2x4 to build a new frame down. And then what are we gonna do after that?
After that, you'll be able to fit so much more spaghetti in this thing.
Mom, spaghetti.
Arms, sneaks, weeks,
My
snevy.
my arms are so heavy because I ate so much of Mom's spaghetti, and then there's vomit on your Shinchoku sweater already.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They call me
Little wiener.
Little
Little pee-pee.
They call me
They call me little pee-pee. Alright. I bought this badass saw a year ago. Shoved it in a corner. He doesn't care.
Alright, should we return it?
I don't have the receipt for it.
How long did you drive by it?
What did you just say? How long did you buy it? Yeah, you know.
How long did you drive? Costco pizza.
Just take your 240 to go get
Oh,
food.
I thought you were talking to me. I was like,
No.
240 is even sketchier than the truck.
I know. Too bad your Evo wasn't working.
There's no, yeah, the Evo working.
I think it'd be fine. It still runs.
Except there's a hole in it somewhere. What
The
happened?
bell housing is fucking
What
missing.
happened to it, Dan?
The bell housing exploded after the flywheel.
The pressure plate exploded, and that
Pressure plate went into
exploded
the
the
atmosphere.
flywheel or the
Wow.
bell housing. Just that also exploded the radiator.
It took off
It
in the
pretty much
atmosphere. Hulk said, F you, and then BOOM! Alright, I'm gonna go get food.
Alright.
Okay, bye.
Costco pizza.
Bye, Daniel.
I'll see you when you get back.
Pizza that
Oh,
bad.
you're-
Pasta. Do you wanna go to Olive Garden?
Tonight?
Yeah.
Sure. God, I don't know if I want to fucking cheat anymore, dude. I got so excited that I fit in my race suit now.
Whatever. So we cut out these little end caps. It's just sitting in there. It'll be pounded in more. That's going to go in more. We're going to weld it up. And then we will build the new frame off of that.
Pretty much.
After we hang the fenders and the
It's pretty much just
core
to do-
support.
Yeah, it's not a drift car, but I'd be like, that'd be cool.
I'm only doing this because it was wrecked. I
Yeah.
wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't wrecked because it was a lot of work. By the way, just use that evolution saw for the first time. That thing is badass. It freaking cut through 3/16 like butter. Just zip. And it's still snowing. And there's the LS getting covered in snow. Which it's covered in a blanket. I don't care though. I'm gonna regasket it anyway. Rebuild it. It's freaking cold out here though. Well, for right now, I think that's probably gonna be it for now. I'm gonna clean up, get this garage door closed. It's getting snow everywhere. I'm happy with that. Next weekend is Christmas, so I won't be working on it. But maybe the weekend after that, pump out some more work on this thing. Peace out.